Welcome back. In the previous session, we have discussed the theory related to solution of homogeneous system of linear equations. In this session, we describe the method of finding the solution of a homogeneous system of linear equations and illustrate it with examples. Our method of presenting is in such a way that we give a brief description of the theory already developed in the previous session to support the method of finding the solution. We also discuss complete solution of a consistent non-homogeneous system of linear equations. The definition of null space and nullity of a metric will be given. Method to find solution of homogeneous system of linear equations. Consider the following homogeneous system of equations. a11x1 plus a12x2 plus etc. plus a1n xn is equal to 0. a21x1 plus a22x2 plus etc. plus a2n xn is equal to 0 etc. am1x1 plus am2x2 plus etc. plus amn xn is equal to 0. Equation number 1. There are m linear equations in n unknowns x1, x2, etc. xn. The system of equations 1 can be expressed as a single metric equation Ax is equal to 0. Equation number 2, where A is equal to matrix A11, A12, etc. A1n, A21, A22, etc. A2n, etc. AM1, AM2, etc. AMN. X is equal to metric x1, x2, etc. xn, and 0 is equal to metric 0, 0, etc. 0. A solution of the system 1 is any set of values of x1, x2, etc. xn which satisfies simultaneously the m equations. Equivalently, any column metric x that satisfies the metric equation 2 is a solution of the system 2. When the system has a solution, it is said to be consistent. Otherwise, the system is said to be inconsistent. A consistent system has either a unique solution or infinitely many solutions. The following result is required in our discussion proof, of which has already been discussed in the previous session. Theorem 1. The number of linearly independent solutions of a consistent system of m linear equations in n unknowns is n minus r, where r is the rank of the coefficient matrix A. Remarks. Theorem 1 helps us to determine complete solution, that is, the set of all possible solutions to the system. It is clear that x is equal to column metric x1, x2, etc. xn is equal to metric 0, 0, etc. 0 is always a solution to the system 2. Equivalently, x1 is equal to x2 which is equal to etc. is equal to xn is equal to 0 is a set of solution of system 1. This solution is called a trivial solution to the system. In view of theorem 1, if the rank of the metric is equal to the number of unknowns, then the system has only the trivial solution. If rank is less than the number of unknowns, then the system has non-trivial solutions. We assign arbitrary values to n minus r unknowns and determine the remaining r unknowns uniquely in terms of these n minus r values, where n is the number of unknowns and r is a rank of the coefficient metric. Method. To find the solution of a homogeneous system of m equations in n unknowns, we proceed as follows. 1. Write down the corresponding metric equation Ax is equal to 0 and find the rank r of the metric A. Case 1. If r is equal to n, that is, if rank of A is equal to number of unknowns, then the system has only the trivial solution. Case 2. If r less than n, that is, if rank of A less than number of unknowns, then the system has infinitely many solutions. We assign arbitrary values to n minus r unknowns and determine the remaining r unknowns uniquely in terms of these n minus r values. Example 1. Solve completely the system of equations x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 4z is equal to 0, x minus 11y plus 14z is equal to 0. Solution. The metric equation corresponding to the given system of equation is given by metric 1, 3, minus 2, 2, minus 1, 4, 1, minus 11, 14 into column metric x, y, z is equal to metric 0, 0, 0. Equation number 3. Obviously, x is equal to column metric, x, y, z is equal to metric 0, 0, 0 is a solution called the trivial solution to the system. Now, we find non-trivial solutions if they exist. Now, to determine the rank, we reduce A to its echelon form as follows. A is equal to metric 1, 3, minus 2, 2, minus 1, 4, 1, minus 11, 14, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 3, minus 2, 0, minus 7, 8, 0, minus 14, 16 by R21 of minus 2, R31 of minus 1, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 1, minus 8 by 7, 0, minus 14, 16 by R2 of minus 1 by 7, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 0, 10 by 7, 0, 1, minus 8 by 7, 0, 0, 0 by R12 of minus 3, R32 of 14. The metric given just above is the echelon form of A. Since the echelon form has two non-zero rows, rank of A is 2. Since rank of A is equal to 2 less than 3, which is equal to the number of unknowns, the system possesses non-trivial solutions. The given metric equation 3 is equivalent to the metric equation metric 1, 0, 10 by 7, 0, 1, minus 8 by 7, 0, 0, 0 into metric x, y, z, which is equal to metric 0, 0, 0. Equation number 4. Now, the metric equation 4 is equivalent to the system of equations x plus 10 by 7 z is equal to 0, y minus 8 by 7 z is equal to 0. We can assign arbitrary values to n minus r is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 unknown, say to the variable z. Take z is equal to a, where a is the arbitrary real number. Then we get from the first equation x plus 10 by 7 a is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 10 by 7 a, and from the second equation y minus 8 by 7 a is equal to 0 or y is equal to 8 by 7 a. Hence, the solution is x is equal to column metric x, y, z, which is equal to column metric minus 10 by 7 a, 8 by 7 a. Or equivalently, x is equal to minus 10 by 7 a, y is equal to 8 by 7 a, z is equal to a, where a is arbitrary real number. Example 2. Does the following system of equation possess a non-trivial solution? X plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 0, 2x minus 3y plus z is equal to 0, 4x minus y minus 2z is equal to 0. Solution. Here A is equal to metric 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 1, 4, minus 1, minus 2, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 2, minus 3, 0, minus 7, 7, 0, minus 9, 10 by R21 of minus 2, R31 of minus 4, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 2, minus 3, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 9, 10 by R2 of minus 1 by 7, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1 by R12 of minus 2, R32 of 9, which is equivalent to the metric 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 by R13 of 1, R23 of 1. Hence, the row echelon metric of A is metric 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and since it has 3 non-zero rows, rank of A is 3. Since rank is same as the number of unknowns, the system has only one solution, and it is the trivial solution. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Therefore, the given system has no non-trivial solution. Complete solution of a consistent non-homogeneous system of equations. The solution of system of non-homogeneous linear equations will be discussed in detail in the next session. However, now we note that all the solutions of a system of non-homogeneous linear equations can be determined if we know complete solution of the corresponding homogeneous system of equations and a particular solution of the non-homogeneous system of equations. That is, if the system of non-homogeneous equations or its equivalent metric equation Ax is equal to b is consistent. A complete solution of the non-homogeneous system is given by x is equal to xh plus xp, where xh is the complete solution of the homogeneous system Ax is equal to 0 and xp is any particular solution of the non-homogeneous system Ax is equal to b. Example 3. Solve the following system. x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 4. x1 plus x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 5. Solution. Setting x1 is equal to 0, we have x3 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to 1. Hence, a particular solution of the non-homogeneous system is xp is equal to column metric 0, 1, 2. It can be seen that the complete solution of the corresponding homogeneous system x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 0, x1 plus x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0 is xh is equal to column metric minus 7a, a, 3a, where a is an arbitrary real number. Hence, the complete solution of the given non-homogeneous system is x is equal to xh plus xp, which is equal to column metric minus 7a, a, 3a plus column metric 0, 1, 2, which is equal to metric minus 7a, 1 plus a, 2 plus 3a. Null space and nullity of a metric. The proof of the following result has been discussed in the previous session. Theorem 2. The set of solutions of the homogeneous metric system of linear equations 1 is a subspace of the vector space VnR of n by 1 column matrices with elements from the field R of real numbers. Definition. The subspace mentioned in the above theorem generated by the column vectors x such that Ax is equal to 0 is called the column null space of the m by n metric A and its dimension n minus r, where r is the rank of the metric, is called the column nullity of the metric. In view of the definition, we have rank plus column nullity is equal to number of columns. Definition. The subspace generated by the row matrices Y such that Ya is equal to 0 is called the row null space and its dimension m minus r is called the row nullity of the metric. Also, we note that rank plus row nullity is equal to number of rows. We note that for square matrices, number of columns and number of rows are equal. Hence, the above observation yield the following result. Theorem 3. The row nullity and the column nullity of the square metric are equal. In view of above theorem, as the row nullity and column nullity are the same, we simply say nullity of a square metric for this common value. Hence, for an n square metric, rank plus nullity is equal to n. Theorem 4. If A, B are two n-rowed square matrices, then maximum of VA dot VB less than or equal to V of AB less than or equal to VA plus VB, where VA, VB, VAB denote the nullities of the square matrices A, B and AB respectively. Proof. We recall the inequality row A plus row B minus n less than or equal to row of AB, which is less than or equal to minimum of row A, row B. Equation number 5. Now, row of A is equal to n minus V of A. Row of B is equal to n minus V of B. Row of AB is equal to n minus V of AB. Substituting these values in 5, we obtain the result. Range of a matrix. Let A be an m by n matrix. If x is any column vector of the vector space VnR, then Ax is a column vector of the vector space VMR. Definition. Let A be an m by n matrix. When the column vector x ranges over the entire space VNR, then the vector Ax ranges over a subset of the space VMR. This subset is called the range of the metric A. Symbolically, range of A is equal to set Ax belongs to VMR such that x belongs to VNR. Theorem 5. The range of an m by n metric A is a subspace of VMR. Proof. Let y1, y2 belongs to range of A. That is, y1, y2 belongs to Ax such that x belongs to VNR. Then y1 is equal to Ax1, y2 is equal to Ax2 for some x1, x2 belongs to VNF. Now, Cy1 plus y2 is equal to Cax1 plus Ax2, which is equal to A times Cx1 plus x2. Hence, Cy1 plus y2 belong to range of A. This shows that the range of an m by n metric A is a subspace of VMF. Range of A is also called range space of A. Column space. The subspace generated by the column vectors of A is called the column space of A. That is, column space of A is the set of linear combinations of columns of A. In this session, we have described the method of finding the solution of a homogeneous system of linear equations. We have also discussed complete solution of a consistent non-homogeneous system of linear equations, the definition of null space and nullity of metric, and the statement of Save's law of nullity has been given. Before going to the next session, let us try to answer these questions. Find all the non-trivial solutions of the following system of equations. 1. 7x plus y minus 2z is equal to 0. X plus 5y minus 4z is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. 2. X minus y plus z is equal to 0. 2x plus y minus z is equal to 0. X plus 5y minus 5z is equal to 0. Determine the values of A, if any, for which the system of equations Ax minus 2y plus z is equal to 0, Ax plus 1 minus ay plus z is equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 2az is equal to 0 has a non-trivial solution, and find such solution when they exist. Solve completely the following system. 4x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 plus x4 is equal to 0. 2x1 plus 3x2 minus x3 minus 2x4 is equal to 0. 7x2 minus 4x3 minus 5x4 is equal to 0. 2x1 minus 11x2 plus 7x3 plus 8x4 is equal to 0. Hope you enjoy the session. See you next time. Till then, take care.